everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 5 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter measurement, and the lessons we're going to cover today are convert mixed customary units, convert between metric and customary units, convert metric mixed units, and add and subtract metric mixed units. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So let's just start with the lesson. Here I am on grade 5 math. The lesson we're going to start with is convert mixed customary units. So you have to convert 8 pence to quarts, right? We need to see how many quarts are there in 8 pent, right? So 1 pent equal 2 quarts, right? So you need to divide 8 by 2. That means you are left with just 4. So you have 4 quarts and 0 pence, right? Basically that is a conversion from one unit to another. You have to convert from pence to quarts, right? So we know that 1 pent equal 2 quarts. So you have to divide it by the 2, and that equal 4 quarts. Let's just start with the test questions. Convert 1 gallon quarts. So which is the convert? You have to convert from gallons to quart, right? So 1 gallon equal how many quarts? 1 gallon equal 4 quarts, right? 1 gallon equal 4 quarts. So 1 gallon is 4 quarts. You already have 2 quarts. So just add 4 quart plus 2 quart equal 6 quarts. So the correct option is 6 quarts, right? The correct option is 6 quarts. The correct option is 6 quarts, right? Okay. So the correct one is the next one is you have to convert from pounds to ton. You have to convert from pound to ton, right? We know that 1 pound equal 2000, 1 ton equal 2000 pounds, right? 1 ton equal 2000 pounds. So basically you have to divide it by 2000. So that would be 4 ton and 1656 pounds, right? The correct option is 4 ton and 1656 pounds. The correct option is option number 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 8 gallon and 12 cups. You have to convert from gallons to cups, right? So 1 gallon equals 16 cups, right? You have 8 gallons. 1 gallon equal 16 cups. So you have 8 gallons. 8 times 16, that is 8 times 16 is 48, 128, and you already have 12 cups. So add 12, 8, 9, 10, 0, 40. That is 100 cups. The correct option is 140 cups, right? The correct option is 140 cups. The second option is the correct one. Okay, 91 inches you have to convert from inches to feet, right? So in 1 inch you have 1 inches you have you have to divide it by the 12 because 1 foot equal 12 inches. So 12, when you 12 times 7 is, that is 7 feet 7 inches. The correct option is you have to divide it by the 12. So the correct option is 7 feet 7 inches, right? The correct option is 7 feet 7 inches. Okay, the next one is you have to convert from 10 cups to quarts, right? So that is 10 cups. You have to convert from 10 cups to quarts and cups, right? So 1 cup equal, basically 1 quart equal 4 cups, right? So you have to divide it by the 4. So when you divide 10 by 4, you have 2 cups and 2 quarts is the correct option. The correct option is 2 quarts, 2 cups because 1 quart equal 4 cups. So you have to divide 10 by 4. When you divide 10 by 4, 4 times 2 is 8 and you have remainder 2. This is the 2 cups and this is the 2 quarts and this is the 2 cups. So the correct option is 2 quarts, 2 cups. The second one is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next one is 5 pint, 1 cup. So which is the correct option? The correct one is 11 cups because 1 cup, 1 pint equal 2 cups. So that would be 11 cup, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Basically, these lessons are related to the basic conversion. So today we are going to finish this lesson and we are already done with so many conversions. If you keep these very basic conversions if in your mind, then that would be very easy for you, right? So note down these basic conversions. We have go through all and note them down. The next one is convert between metric and customary units. Let's start with the lesson. So that is you are given convert, write your answer as a decimal, and you are given 1 teaspoon is equal to 4.93 millimeters, right? So you have to see 5 teaspoons equal how many millimeters. So you are given the basic conversion. So you are given the basic conversion. The basic conversion is 1 teaspoon equal 4.93. So you have to see 5 teaspoons. So you have to multiply 5 times 4.93, right? If you are given with the basic conversion, then that would be very easy for you, right? Just multiply 5 times 4.93 and you will get your answer. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, that's the one we just did on the tutorial. 1 teaspoon is about equal to 4.93 millimeters. So 5 teaspoons is equal to, you have to do 5.45 times 4.93. The correct option is 5 times 4.93, right? The correct option is 24.65. Option number 1 is the correct option. One meter is about 39.37 inches. So 2 meter is about equal to dash inches. So you are given the basic conversion for 1 meter, right? You have to see for 2 meters it is. So what you have to do, you need to do 2 times the 39.37, right? So 2 times 39.37 equals, just multiply and see the 2 times 39.37 equals, which is the correct option. The correct option is 78.74, right? The second one is the correct option. One liter is about 1.06 quarts. Convert 7 liters equal how many quarts? So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number. You have to do 7 times 1.06, that is 7.42. Option number 2 is the correct option. 1 inch is about equal to 2.54 centimeter. So 7 inches is equal to, which is the correct option? You have to do 7 times 2.54. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 7 times 2.54, right? So 7 times 2.54 equals, yes, the correct option is, you have to multiply. The correct option is 17.78. The correct option is 17.78. 1 teaspoon is equal to 4.93 millimeters. Convert, write your answer as a decimal. You have to do calculate 8 teaspoons. So which is the correct option? Teaspoons is equal to how many millimeters? The correct option is, you have to do 8 times 4.93. So 8 times 4.93 equals, yes, the correct option is 39.44. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 39.44. 1 kilogram is equal to 2.20 pounds. So 5 kilogram is equal to how many pounds? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 5 times 2.20. So the correct option is, that is 15 pounds, right? You have to do, no, that is 11. 5 times 2.20 is, hold on, 5 times 2.20, 11. So the correct option is 11 pounds it is. One ounce is equal to 28.35 grams. Convert, write your answer as a decimal. So 7 ounces is equal to how many grams? Which is the correct option? You have to convert from grams to ounces. So which is the correct option? 5 grams. Convert, write your answer as a decimal. You have to do 7 times 28.35. So the correct option is yes, that is 198.45, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is convert metric mixed units. So you have to convert from, you have to convert 4 centimeter 1 millimeter to millimeters. You have to convert to millimeters, right? So we know that in 1 centimeter you have 10 millimeters. So you have to convert 4 centimeter to millimeter. So 4 times 10 is 40. You have to add 1 millimeter. So 40 plus 1 is 41. So that is 41 millimeters, right? Let's just start with the test questions. You have to convert from kilograms to grams, right? That is 6 kilograms and 126 grams. So basically, just recall the basic conversions. We know that 1 kilogram equal 1000 grams, right? And here you have 6 kilograms. So 6 kilograms equal 6 times 1000 grams, that is 6000 grams. You already have 126, so just add 126 grams, that equals 6126 grams, right? So that's why I'm saying again and again the basic conversions are very very important. Just keep them in your mind, note them down on your notebook and recall them. So the correct option is 6126 grams. Got it? One centimeter, 1 millimeter, which is the correct option? In 1 centimeter, you have 10 millimeters, right? This is the basic conversion. 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeters. So you have 10 plus 1, that is 11 millimeters. The correct option is 11 millimeters, right? The correct option is 11. So now you have to write the correct option for the next one. Recall the basic conversions. Okay, the next one is 2 centimeter and 5 millimeters, which is the correct option? 2 centimeter 5 millimeter equal 25 millimeters. Option number 2 is the correct option. The correct option is 25 millimeter. 6 meter 46 centimeter. So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, 1 meter equal 100 centimeter, right? That is the basic conversion. 1 meter equal 100 centimeters. So the correct option is yes, the correct option is 646 centimeters. Option number 1 is the correct option. One kilogram and 734 grams equal. You have to convert from kilograms to grams. So which is the correct option? The basic conversion is 1 kilogram equal 1000 grams. So which is the correct option? The correct option is the second one is the correct option. That is 1734 grams, right? Okay, the next one is 8 centimeter and 2 millimeters. You have to convert it into millimeters. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 82 millimeters. The correct option is option number 1. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is that is the last lesson from this lesson measurement, very long lesson actually. That is add and subtract metric mixed units. Okay, the lesson is carefully examined and explained in the coming grades. There are also lessons earlier in this chapter that have these questions. What we can we do now? The lesson is move to the next grade, right? Okay, so what can we do now? So we are done with the chapter. Okay, we are done with the lesson. So, if you have any questions related to the lessons we have just covered, or even from the chapter, you can ask question. I'm here to explain any questions from this chapter, any lesson from this chapter, or anything that is from your homework. You can ask questions if you have any. We have time, so you can ask question. Either it is related to your homework or whatever it is. So the basic thing here we have learned is the customary units and the metric units. So the basic thing is you must remember the basic conversions. The basic conversions are very important. If you keep the basic conversions in your mind, you can do whatever the conversion it is, right? Until last session, I have written all the basic conversions on the board. So if you still need more help with any of the lesson, go through all the lessons from this chapter I did earlier in the earlier weeks. Recall, write the basic conversions on your notebook, try to remember them, or otherwise, if you don't remember, if you have, note them down whenever you need them, just recall all them once and you can use, right? So basic conversions are very important. So if you have any question related to the lesson, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.